All right, Solomon. So we're going to go ahead and move on to step two. So we're going to copy and paste this into our offer template. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So this, you can just, I'm sure you're familiar with Excel. You can just do Control All, copy. There's probably a shortcut for that too. Um, and you're going to paste it right here. And then you can just delete this header row. And then you have all your data into the spreadsheet, and you can go ahead and highlight that again if that helps you. But these are all the formulas. So it pulls over the address, the city, the earnest money right here, the list price. Here's where we're going to plug in our ARV. Here's our days on market. Um, and then when you plug in your ARV, it's automatically going to calculate your purchase price that we put into contracts. When you go to set showings, what's actually down the road, you just copy and then paste that over here as values, and then you can copy and paste this as you need, because obviously you can't copy and paste the formula. So that's just a quick rundown of the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and just send both those over to you so you can start get familiar with that process, and then go ahead and start up with training step two, the training on the ARV. Just determine ARVs, and I want you to do the ARVs on all these, and then I'm also going to do the ARVs on all these, and then we'll compare notes. So this is the best way for us to learn this together. That way I can see what you're thinking, what I'm thinking. So we do the exact same properties together, and we'll do this for a while. And then when we're done, I'll have you send out the offers on them. So, but we'll probably do this for probably a week or two, really however long it takes for you to catch on. Judging by how quickly you caught on to pulling properties, I expect you'll probably catch on this pretty quick too. So once you really get an eye for these properties by looking at the pictures, it's really quite easy. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to pull up our training sheet and just kind of go over that real quick, and then we should get you going on the next step. Just real quick, I thought maybe I'd shoot this real fast. So if I'm going to copy and paste this into the sheet, I always keep this template, this one right here that is attached to the email. I always keep that clean. And then when I copy and paste data into it, then I always do like a save as by date. It's just the easiest way I found to keep record. So 7/25/2020. So then we know that's the day that we're working on, and then just save that. So anyways, so I just wanted to do that. I'll attach, excuse me, I'll attach this to the email, and so we can both work off of it. All right, so this is where we're going to be spending most of our time, is the ARV training. Once you get this piece, so here's the ARV training. I added a new video, so I would start here with the intro, and then go to this one. This is an updated one with the new MLS system. These have the older look of the MLS system, so just know it's dated, but the concept is the same. Watch these videos so you really get a good grasp of it. So what I would do if I was you is I would watch these 6 videos, and while you're watching it, try to go through this checklist on when I'm doing this. So we'll actually review this checklist and then watch all these videos. It'll take a little bit of time. I think you'll probably be into this 2 or 3, 4 hours of videos and training. Once you do that, then in the email I attached the offer template, the properties that I want you to go ahead and just give it a shot. Just start trying to comp those properties based on what you've learned here. So I don't want to overwhelm you, but we have more videos down here, but we're not going to. And then let's get down here first. Here's additional ARV training videos. Here's more ARV training videos. This is if we're going to start to try to buy something on our busy street. But right now, if it's on a busy street, just get rid of it. We're not going to mess with that right now. This is another one on problem properties. Here's one on large lots. That's down the road. Don't worry about that stuff for right now. I want you to just really kind of dive into this and figure it out. But I am going to ask you to be patient with me, because Sometimes you might find counter-dicting information, or maybe you'll do something that I told you to do in a video, and I'll be like, oh wait, let's do it this way. That's going to happen from time to time. Just because I've been doing this so long that I'll see something that there's a reason why I want to do it a different way. But that's why it takes a couple weeks for you to really get your arms around it. So, um, and then once we're done with the ARV training, um, uh, then this is all there is left, really. Two videos on sending out contracts. That's really easy. In fact, as soon as you do, as soon as you do these today or Monday, whenever you get to it, I actually, if you can get to it today, that'd be great. Send this back. But if you can't, I understand. Um, if you get this back to me, I'll go through this and comp it or figure all these out. And then if you have time, I'll just have you send out the contracts on it because it's such an easy task. So anyways, there you have it. Um, so yeah, we're starting on the hard stuff right here. So ARV training. So just start watching the videos. And another way you can do it is definitely review this. Watch a couple videos, 3 videos, maybe try to comp like uh, 3 or 4 properties on the spreadsheet that I sent you. Then go back and watch the other 3 videos and then try to do the rest. That's another way to do it. That's a way to ease into it. You're going to make lots of mistakes in the beginning, and so just be patient with it, but you will pick it up, and you'll pick it up fairly quickly. I have confidence in that. So anyways, that's it. So I'm going to send this video over to you and just let me know. Oh, and I sent you payment, so just let me know you got that, and we should be all set.